is buying massive amounts of Russian oil. Because of this, I will substantially raise tariff to 50% on India.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are not ready for this.
You must address
Get ready.
I'm a king, but I bop, I'm a saint. They call me a bad man, that's a fucking good thing. Mama said swing back when another man swings, so I make my mama proud and they make their heads ring. Father, forgive me, I can't forgive them. You know my history, know what I did then. Know what I do now, a whole lot worse. Heavy is the head, it's a blessing and a curse.
I was not happy that India was buying oil. I will be substantially raising the tariff on India. I'm a saint, they call me a bad man, that's a good thing. Mama said swing